How to do a collaboration post on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, click on your profile at the bottom right, then click on plus button at the bottom. Then select the photo you want to post and press on next at the top right. Then you will be able to add audio, text. After you're done, press on next at the bottom right. In here, click on tag people, which is the first option. Then in here you will find invite collaborator. Click on invite collaborators. After that, at the top, search for the user who you want to collaborate with and then press on their profile. Press on tick mark at the top right and then press on share at the bottom. Your post will be shared. After your post will be shared, you will find this kind of screen pop up. As you can see at the bottom, was invited to be collaborator. So I'll simply switch my account. And from another account, if you have received invite, you will find this kind of screen pop up on your tagged post. Invited you to be collaborator. Click on review, accept, and you're good to go. This is how to do a collaboration post on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more, got question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.